This is the place they once called home. Florida Sibayan and her husband vividly remember how armed men hired by the sugar plantation they once worked for stormed into their home and drove them away. They say they want to own the land their family had been farming for generations. And though this recent incident may have been painful, their struggle has been a long one. It began almost 10 years ago when they survived an attack that killed at least 7 farmers during a protest against the sugar estate. Florida worries that continued harassment of farmers may lead to more violence.
Lupa po, napaka-importante po sa amin. Dahil 5 dekada na nilaban na.
They continue to harass us, they continue to displace us. Land is important to us, it's our life. We will fight for it, even if it means more of us will die in the process. We stand united.
And she blames it all on this man. President Benigno Aquino's family owns the sugar plantation. When the killings happened, Aquino was the congressman of that district of Tarlac province. Aquino says he only owned less than 5% of the total estate and has given up those shares when he was sworn in as president. He insists his government remains committed to providing a long-term solution to the problem.
He did give instructions that government programs to support farmers should continue even after land distribution.
But for Florida, this is not enough. She says they want justice, especially from a man whose mandate is to protect them. Despite reports of recent progress, Filipino farmers are still the poorest in the country. And according to the United Nations, they are even worse off compared to their Asian counterparts. That's mainly because government land distribution targets are not being met. The Supreme Court has ordered the family of President Benigno Aquino to redistribute its vast plantation to poor farmers, ruling that they have the right to own their ancestors' land. But here they say that justice is just too slow. And no matter the promises, they believe their struggle with the landowners still represent the darker side of President Aquino's legacy. Jamela, Alindogan, Jazeera, Tarlac Province, Northern Philippines.